The Toyota Land Cruiser ROX concept is turning heads at SEMA. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. This topless wonder, based on the 2024 Land Cruiser 250 series, is a dream for off-road enthusiasts. ROX stands for Recreation Open Experience, a nod to its open-air design. Kevin Hunter, president of Calty Design Research, said they aim to enhance the Land Cruiser's excitement and usability. The ROX boasts custom skeleton doors, high-clearance rocker panels, and a sliding soft top. Its interior features heritage orange leather, while the exterior shines in vintage-inspired spring green. A triple-bar roof rack and mole panels add utility. To build the Land Cruiser ROX, over 50% of the original vehicle had to be completely redesigned and fabricated. The ROX features custom skeleton doors, high-clearance rocker panels, rock rails, a custom sliding soft top, and a functional midgate. Over half of the original vehicle was redesigned, with parts like door sills 3D printed from SLD nylon. There are tons of utility bits as well, like a triple-bar roof rack with sports bar and mole panels. To tackle the roads less traveled, the ROX has a custom TRD suspension, which gives the Land Cruiser a 4.0-inch lift. Toyota hints that the ROX could inspire future production models. While not confirmed, this concept offers a tantalizing glimpse into what could be a new era for the Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.